Good morning, I'm Dr. Sumedha Vadva, Consultant Cosmetic Surgeon, Delhi NCR, and I hope you all are doing good. The topic I'm discussing today is a simple topic and I believe known to most of you, Botox. Well, for the unaware, Botox, also known by its scientific name as botulinum toxin, is a simple drug that we are using to reverse signs of aging. Now, what are these signs of aging that can be reversed? Well, the most prominent feature that imparts the aged look or the old look are the facial wrinkles. The question here is, why do we not see wrinkles when we are younger? First, the skin of the face is much firmer and tighter in our youth. Secondly, this facial skin has a good layer of fat just below it in the younger days. So it's like a three-layered structure. We have the facial skin, we have the fat layer, and then the facial muscles. Now these facial muscles are responsible for the various facial expressions that we give. So whenever it is put to use due to the presence of a middle fat layer, no wrinkling is seen on the skin surface. However, as we start to age, the skin not only loses its elasticity to become saggy and loose, this fat layer also starts getting absorbed, bringing the skin to lie directly over the facial muscles, something like this. So we have the skin and then the facial muscles with a very, very thin layer of fat in between. Now when these facial muscles are used for the expressions of smiling, laughing, frowning, raising your eyebrows in excitement or shock, and so on and so forth, they will produce wrinkling on the skin surface. Now Botox work wonderfully here by reducing the activity of these muscles temporarily and thereby reducing the prominence of the wrinkles. Botox injections are a simple procedure, safe procedure, and a short duration procedure where you walk into the clinic, a numbing cream is applied to the desired area. We wait for about 20 to 30 minutes for it to act and then give you minute injections of the Botox at the pre-marked sites. When given in correct doses and at the correct site, mild bruising is all that you would see as a side effect. The results take about 7 to 14 days to appear and last you 6 to 8 months. Yes, this is a temporary procedure or temporary reversal of aging signs, and so you need to get the procedure repeated every 6 to 8 months. Some patients also prefer getting a top-up kind of a dose, say about 4 to 5 months, so that they do not reach the primary baseline level. What we can cater to by Botox are the frown lines, the forehead wrinkles, the laugh lines which we see around the eyes, around the lips, and something not known to a lot of you, even for jaw slimming. Yes, in conjunction with dermal fillers, Botox work great to bring that chiseled jawline. Botox injections are painless, cost-effective, safe, and very, very result-oriented, and we highly recommend it. They leave you refreshed, a lot of self-confidence, and of course, a younger-looking you. For further details, you can contact us. For the procedure, you can contact us. And for reading more about it, you can visit my website www.drsumedhavadva.com. Take care, guys.